The question that we're posing with today's video is it a $4,500 to $5,000 job, or is it a $254 job? We're going to put it together with thread lock this time. What's bothering me is when I put this engine together on the bench, behind here, this is the drain plug for the gearbox oil. Behind here, there is a transmission oil pump. Okay, you see the little yellow nylon sprocket? That's the end of the shaft I've got to release, which is why I've got to remove all of this. And if I'm removing this, it means cracking off both crank nuts again. This is the back end of that shaft. It's just got a simple circlip on it, so I'll remove this and then we'll remove the opposite side. Okay, the correct orientation for this plastic sprocket is there is a I'll pull it out. Okay, so what we need is the washer on the back side of that, the roll pin, hold it all together. We can slide her in, press and hold it in, it can't go anywhere, and that job of holding that in is now taken over by the transmission oil pump, which you then bolt on. Don't forget to fit the O-ring. Okay, so just for the record, I got one washer goes on the shaft first, then the small roll pin, then the sprocket, then another washer, and then the little circlip. Okay, so you see the circle there, and there's another scribed circle there. We're going to align those two. Okay, once they're aligned, which this has stayed in mesh anyway, so that's fine, but it's just one of your checks. So you start with this, and then this circle scribe mark on the lead crankshaft, you're going to rotate that around until it lines up with that protrusion on the engine case, lines up with that circle scribe mark. Is diagonally, we now want this one at top dead center, which is number 3. Sorry, almost like it's been drilled out. The ring gear on the back here is going to mesh in with this, meaning that this is all locked together. Interesting. Oh, hello Bailey. It's come to give me a cuddle. Tell me what a great job I did, yeah?